Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making Nutella at home from scratch. This is a chocolate spread that a lot of people enjoy, and it's also very popular outside our country, Ghana. So stay tuned and let's get started. These are the ingredients and tools I'm using for today's homemade Nutella. I'll be using 1 cup of my homemade confectionery or icing sugar. We'll also be using 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll use 4.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and also my homemade crunchy peanut butter paste. The recipe is on the channel, you can check out. I'll also be using 1/4 tablespoon of powdered salt and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. We'll be using some spare bowls, measuring spoons and cups. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'll pick up the blender cup, open it, and then we'll pour into it our crunchy homemade peanut butter. Now we'll add in the confectionery sugar, two tablespoons of the vegetable oil. Then I'll cover it and then start blending into a smooth paste. And this is how it looks like. I'll blend it once more since there's a bit of the peanut butter stuck to the bottom. Now I'll remove the blender cap from the machine, place it down and then add in the cocoa powder and the rest of the oil. Now I'll cover with the lid and then proceed to blending until we obtain our Nutella paste. After the blending is done, I'll remove it from the machine and this is how it looks on the inside. Now I'll place it down and then we'll transfer it into our bowl. As I pour it, I'll be using the spatula to push out all the excesses stuck to the bottom and inside the dry blend cup. And this is how it looks like. Now it's time to add in our salt and vanilla essence to taste. I'll pour in the salt, then I'll add the vanilla essence as well. Now I'll use the spatula to combine everything together until a uniform mixture is obtained. And this is how it looks like. Just look at how smooth and glossy it is. So we'll be transferring it into a container which can be used for immediate use or consumption. And this is how it looks like. Just look at how smooth it is as the spoon is used in stirring it. It's so delicious, and I hope you give this recipe a try if you are somebody that loves anything chocolate or chocolate spread to be precise. If you are not going to use it just after making it, you could also pour it into a glass jar with the lid, or maybe a plastic bowl with a lid that is airtight, and then store in your fridge for as long as possible. This can last for up to 3 months or more depending on how good you store it. After pouring it into the jar, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to cover with the lid and then we set it aside. Now we are going to spread the homemade Nutella on a slice of bread just to show you how smooth, silky, and delicious it is. With the aid of the knife, I'll pick some of the Nutella from the glass jar which we used to store it, and then smear it nicely on the surface of the slice of bread. And this is how it looks like. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.